E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had...
What's going on, buddy?
He had, we're eating yogurt.
Grandma's a singing and Kai's a eating.
He had,
So, tell us of your experience here, young man. I think that's a positive.
It's good. It's been good.
My golly.
Want a bite?
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting food time, ain't I?
Want a bite?
What is this? This is Friday. Friday afternoon after work.
Uh-huh.
And things are going good. I hope you guys are looking at some of these videos. I did them so you wouldn't be so lonely for your baby. So there's lots of them on there for you to see.
And on his farm he had, what haven't we done? What haven't we done, honey?
Rhinoceros.